West 7th. Alright, stop. Right there.
On Saturday, January 27, 2024, Fort Worth police spotted a gray pickup truck driving the wrong way on a one-way street in the West 7th Entertainment District. The truck's erratic movements, including nearly hitting a police cruiser and driving over a curb, prompted officers to attempt a traffic stop. However, the driver fled, speeding through the busy area, jumping curbs, and crashing into a pole before continuing to drive recklessly. Let's see how it all unfolded.
King 721, we got one felony yield. It's a truck. It's possible 22. He's almost hit us once. He was driving the wrong way on a one-way. He's refusing to get out of the car, and now he's taking off. He's going the wrong way down Foch. We are eastbound West 7th. He just struck a curb, he's driving reckless. Speeds are about 50. Traffic's light. It's going to be a gray Silverado. We're still eastbound West 7th, passing Clayton Street. Watch out. He just struck a curb. He almost struck a Tesla. Still eastbound, passing Harold. We occupied 2 times. Speeds are at 80. Alright. He has just struck another curb. He is on Penn Street. He's going through the bank parking lot, Bank of Texas. Watch out. Looks like he's trying to get back onto West 7th. Stop. Right there. Alright, he's wrecked out. We're over here at Bank of Texas. Well, he's on one wheel. He's going back westbound West 7th. One wheel is gone. He's about to bail out, I think. Just wait till he bails. Yep. Stop. Wait till he bails. He's still on one wheel. He's going westbound West 7th. We're coming up on Montgomery Plaza. Watch. Wait. Stop, because all his shit's about to come out. Yep. We are still westbound West 7th. We're passing Staten. He's still on one wheel. Or he's got one wheel popped. Wait. Passing Curry. He's coming up on the University intersection. Wait. Stop. Yep. Where's he from? He wrecked out at 7th University. Yeah, we got him. Stop. Is that him right there? Your incident has been updated.
The driver, Andrew Guerra, 29, was eventually apprehended and is now in Tarrant County Jail on a $95,000 bond. He faces multiple charges, including evading arrest with a vehicle, intoxication assault, and unlawful restraint. Officers had to obtain a search warrant for his blood alcohol level after he refused a test. This dangerous chase highlights the serious consequences of impaired driving. On Wednesday, June 12, 2024, Atlanta police responded to a shooting and quickly identified a blue Tesla as the suspect's getaway vehicle. About 90 minutes later, officers spotted a Tesla matching the description and initiated a pursuit after receiving approval. Let's take a closer look at how this pursuit unfolded.
That's a negative. Continuing over McDaniel. Yes, I do have a secondary unit, if they can call it.
Alright, Phoenix, we got it. Let's call it, we got it.
Got it on Peters going westbound on Peters.
Westbound on Peters.
Westbound on Whitehall, coming up the Oak. Long lanes of travel, gonna be going 70 plus, still on Whitehall.
Heavy traffic up ahead, y'all. Heavy traffic up ahead. Almost 41, we are still south on Whitehall, crossing over 48.
Heavy traffic up ahead, y'all. Heavy traffic up ahead. Almost 41, we are still south on Whitehall, crossing over RDA.
60 miles wrong lane, travel again, back on the right side. Green state. Nice traffic up ahead. 41 Team Marietta Pitchman. It's just crossed over lead. Still on Whitehall, you got heavy.
Switch to the other zone. Phoenix should be the only one talking on this radio.
Alright, we're still on lead. Ooh, 41 spinning out. He's
Gonna be, we're on lead. Just gain control, we gain control.
spinning out. He's gonna be right on lead. He just gained control, regained control. Continuing on lead. The vehicle is slowing down. Still with it. Just stopping in the middle of the intersection. The vehicle has stopped. Gonna be at Lee and Oakland. Lee and Oakland, you got a driver running out. I'll stay with the driver.
Hey, coming up on your six. Hands. Don't you fucking move. Hands up. You're gonna crawl over this seat with your hands up. You understand me? Let's go. Crawl, motherfucker. Crawl now.
If you don't crawl, you'll get detained, bitch.
On the ground. Don't you move. Hands down.
Hey, you got him? I'm gonna go here.
With air support tracking from above, the chase ended when the suspect vehicle crashed and the driver attempted to flee on foot. Officers detained the driver after a short chase and took 2 passengers into custody at the scene.
Any guns in the car? Come over here.
All 4 suspects, ranging in age from 16 to 23, now face serious charges, including aggravated assault, aggravated battery, and firearm-related offenses. The driver, identified as Kentavious Campbell, was also charged with reckless driving and eluding police. On March 4, 2024, while on patrol, Trooper Shira noticed a white Dodge Charger with blacked-out window tints speeding on Interstate 75. After attempting to pull the car over, the driver took off, swerving through traffic and exiting onto Tucker's Grade. The pursuit continued at extremely high speeds, with the driver reaching over 145 miles per hour while weaving through traffic and even passing on the shoulder.
Starting on Monday at the Julian County Airport. At the time, it was known as the year of the consulship of Vitellius and Coca-Cola. The answer to that on our phone.
The driver, whose reckless actions led to the high-speed pursuit, is facing serious charges. With speeds topping 120 miles per hour during the chase, law enforcement continues to investigate the incident. This pursuit serves as a clear example of the dangers posed by drivers who refuse to stop, risking lives on the road. On December 17, 2021, a Georgia State Patrol trooper attempted to stop a white Honda Accord on I-75 for a canceled registration. Instead of pulling over, the driver, later identified as Kendarius Grimes, fled, initiating a dangerous high-speed chase. Grimes recklessly maneuvered through heavy traffic, construction zones, and even drove on the wrong side of the road.
City traffic, legal occupant black.
Just exited off exit 2. Turn right on MLK General. Dang it, turn left on MLK on Coliseum.
Okay,
That's Lake Street. You go to the subject.
You understand?
Following his arrest, officers discovered hydrocodone pills, marijuana, and drug paraphernalia in Grimes's vehicle. He faces charges including felony fleeing, reckless driving, and possession of controlled substances. Grimes consented to a blood test and was booked into the Bibb County Jail. On September 14, 2024, Florida Highway Patrol troopers spotted a red motorcycle speeding down Interstate 95. Its tag had been expired since 2018, but that was just the beginning of what made this rider suspicious. The rider, identified as 63-year-old Scott Thomas, was arrested on a slew of charges, including fleeing and eluding, reckless driving, and driving with a suspended license. But that wasn't all. Officers discovered Thomas had an active warrant in Palm Beach County, and that his license had been suspended for months. Thankfully, no one was seriously injured. On August 19, 2024, a black Dodge Scat Pack with a fake Texas temp tag caught the attention of law enforcement after previously fleeing South Fulton PD multiple times. Deputy Bradford of the Clayton County Sheriff's Office spotted the car on Bethsaida Road, but before he could turn around, the vehicle sped off. Let's see how officers managed to bring this chase to an end.
Alright, I pitted it, we boxed it in, he got out. The back tire's done for. We're chasing it 138 towards Union City. Come up and hold down, I'm about to pit again.
Okay, we're going west on 138. I'm going 138 going to next. Wait, man, I'm here. And again, he recovered. We're still going. Speed to 60, travel west, 138. Coming up,
Blackmail treads. Stop! I'm releasing the dog! Stop! Tase him! Tase him! Tase him! Tase him! Blackmail, we got him. We got him. Put the fucking hands on your back! Alright, we need units. We need units.
The driver, identified as 20-year-old Marquez Milner, was taken into custody after a brief struggle in the dense briars. A search of the stolen vehicle revealed a Glock handgun and a strong odor of marijuana. Milner was treated at a hospital before being booked into the Clayton County Jail. The car, stolen from Georgia Tech, had an altered VIN. Milner now faces several charges, adding to the ongoing investigation into this chase. Remember, folks, all stunts you just watched are strictly for educational or maybe just questionable entertainment purposes. Don't go playing cops and robbers in real life. Leave the chases to the professionals. Stay safe, stay legal, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully not on the evening news.